Class 3 English. Assalamu alaikum students. Open the page number 11, Unit 2, Lesson 5. The title of the topic is The Three Little Gods, Part 2. It's a story about three little gods and a wolf. Let's start the story. The three little gods heard the wolf climb inside the top of the chimney. तीन छोटी बकरियों ने सुना कि चिमनी के ऊपर से वुल्फ चढ़ रहा है. They were afraid, वो डर गईं. Oh no, the wolf is coming down the chimney. वो भेड़िया नीचे आ रहा है चिमनी से. Shouted together, एक साथ चिल्लाईं. Quick, said Tinny Horns, put more sticks on the fire. जल्दी से आग के ऊपर और लकड़ियाँ डालो. It will be too hot for the wolfie. भेड़िए के लिए ये ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाएगा. But the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. लेकिन भेड़िए ने जारी रखा चढ़ना चिमनी से. Quick, said Shorthorns, put some wet leaves on the fire. जल्दी से गीले पत्ते आग के ऊपर डालो. ये बहुत ज़्यादा धुआं बन जाएगा भेड़िए के लिए. But the wolf continued to climb down the chimney. लेकिन भेड़िए ने जारी रखा चिमनी से चढ़ना. Quick, said Longhorns, put more sticks on the fire. Longhorns ने कहा जल्दी से आग के ऊपर ज़्यादा लकड़ियाँ डालो. Move the pan of hot water over the flames. आग के शोलों के ऊपर गर्म पानी का बर्तन रखो. The water will be too hot for Wolfie. पानी ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाएगा भेड़िए के लिए. Soon they could see the wolf's tails above the fireplace. जल्दी उन्होंने देखा कि आगदान के ऊपर भेड़िए की दुम नजर आई. Quick, said the tinny horns, pull. So they pulled the wolf's tails and the wolf fell into the pot of boiling water. जल्दी से खींचो. बस जल्द ही भेड़िया गर्म पानी के बर्तन में गिर गया. Shorthorns hit the wolf on the head with a big iron spoon. Shorthorns ने एक बड़े लोहे के चम्मच से उसके सर पे मारा. Longhorns put the lid on the pot. Longhorns ने ढक्कन रख दिया बर्तन के ऊपर. And the Tinny Horns put a heavy stone on the lid. Tinny Horns ने बर्तन के ऊपर ढक्कन रख दिया. एक उसके ऊपर बड़ा पत्थर रख दिया. That was the end of the big bad wolf. और ये उस बड़े बुरे भेड़िए का अंजाम था. Now students, recall all the story and mark the true and false for the given statements. There is a example for us. The wolf was too big to climb down the chimney. False. Number 1, the gods made the fire and the water hotter. True. The wet leaves on the fire made the chimney very smoky. True. Number 3, the gods saw the wolf's head appear in the fireplace. False. Number 4, the wolf escaped from the pot. False. Now come to the question number 3. Use your own words to complete these sentences. Number 1, the third house didn't fall down because it was strong. The wolf couldn't dash, so he climbed down the chimney. In blank, we have to write blow down the house. Number 3, the gods tried to make the fire hotter, so they put more sticks on the fire. Number 4, the gods tried to make the chimney smoky, so they put wet leaves. Number 5, the gods pulled the wolf down by its tail and dashed the pot. In blank, we have to write it fell into the pot. Number 6, the gods dashed so the wolf could not escape. In blank, put the lid on the pot. Now students, format your notebook for the words meaning. Draw a margin line. Mention the date and day. At the top of the page, you have to write unit number 2, lesson 5, page number 11. Write down afraid, डरा हुआ, shouted चिल्लाना, wet leaves गीले पत्ते, flames शोले, heavy stones भारी पत्थर, lid Dhakkan, end in Jam.